Welcome to GooeyTrade and the cTrader platform video series. In this video, we will take a look at basic charting on cTrader. To make extra room on the platform, let's hide the main menu, the active symbol panel, and the trade watch. Multichart Mode automatically creates a grid layout for all your open charts. If you add a new chart, it will be automatically included. If you close a chart, the grid will automatically reset. Single chart mode allows you to use as much space as possible to view a chart, and all other charts can be accessed simply by clicking on the individual tabs. Free chart mode is similar to multi-chart mode, but it lets you resize charts freely. You may zoom in and zoom out by clicking here, or using the sliding scale, or by using your mouse wheel. If you right-click on a chart, you will also find a zoom slider. Your price action can be displayed in 6 different ways: bar chart, candlesticks, line chart, dots chart, area chart, and high-low close chart. Use the up and down arrows on your keyboard to quickly change time frames. You may also select other periods, ticks, Renko bars, range bars, and Heikin-Ashi. The tick marks indicate which ones will appear on the toolbar above. You may manipulate price action on the chart by dragging the price column up and down. Sliding the bar across the bottom of the chart lets you look at past price action while maintaining the candles within the chart window. Dragging the chart area with your mouse cursor will move the chart backwards, forward, up and down. The charting area includes a toolbar for drawings and other tools which can be moved side to side on cTrader. Here you may select a traditional crosshair, synchronized crosshair, and the market snapshot crosshair. Of course, depressing your mouse button will activate and deactivate the crosshair. A variety of graphic tools are available, including trend lines, Fibonacci, shapes, and text. We will have other videos specifically looking at cTrader chart graphics. Set the color of any new item here. Right-click on any object for adjustments such as color, line thickness, line type, to duplicate, and to delete. You may take a chart shot which appears instantly on a browser complete with details and links. You may set a price alert, of course, there is a huge variety of indicators available, and we will cover those in other videos. Also, on cTrader Desktop, click here to detach any chart. This is quite handy if you have more than one monitor. That's all for now. We hope you will enjoy this GooeyTrade cTrader video series, and don't forget to like, subscribe, get notified, and check out our other videos on cTrader.